Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to learn how to download the Hawaiian Airlines app on your smartphone. If you are planning your next trip, having the Hawaiian Airlines app handy is a game changer. So let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and find the App Store if you're using an iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device. Here I am using Android, so I'll go and open my Google Play Store. Once you're in the store, you can see the search bar at the top of your screen. Tap on it. And now type Hawaiian Airlines. You will see the Hawaiian app appear in the search results. Look for the official app. Here I can see Hawaiian Airlines app developed by Hawaiian Airlines. So this is the official app. Tap on it to open the app page. On the app page, you'll find an install button if you are using an Android device, or get button if you're using an iPhone. So tap on it to start downloading the app. The download process might take a few moments depending on your internet connection speed. Once the download is complete, the app will automatically get installed on your device. You can see the open button. You can directly launch the app from here. So tap on open. It is asking me if I want to receive the notifications, so you can choose accordingly. I will choose don't allow for now. So this is the home page of the Hawaiian Airlines app. You can see the sign in button at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. From here you can log in if you have an account, or you can create a new account by clicking on Join Hawaiian Miles. And there you go. You've successfully downloaded the Hawaiian Airlines app. Now take some time to explore its features. You can book flights, manage your bookings, check in online, and even access exclusive offers. Happy travels! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.